कल सर्फ जा रही हूँ मैं, कुछ भी हो जाए। बारिश क्यों आई है? So we are on our way to Veligama and Mirisa, but हम बीच में रुके हैं कहीं पे because it's like 2.5 hour journey, उससे भी ज़्यादा in fact. Now the situation is कि मैंने मिरीसा में स्टे कर दिया है मेरा, and I don't even know, it's a random guest house. I hope it's good and these people are staying in Veligama. Amber ने already book कर दिया था. So now let's see. Though everything is in Mirisa, तो मुझे वहीं रहना था and it's gonna be easier to just commute there and there. 3 दिन का ही मिला उसमें भी, जो मैंने Airbnb सब सेव करके रखी थी, सिर्फ 3 दिन की मिली है मुझे, बाकी के 2 दिन का मैं देख लूँगी. But yeah, that's the plan. I need a change. Close. Where can I exchange? Is it good? Malu? That is exchange? Cash? Sure. Okay. Why is it closed at this hour? Should I do one? अरे भाई. $2 to Sri Lankan convert kar abhi, because that's what we're doing.
Okay.
Taking like
And I want to buy this. How much is it for?
this much. $230 का मैंने convert कराया है. Mine would be 230 into
305 madam.
305.
70,150.
50, yes.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 150.
Perfect. Thank you. Is this the best rate? The conversion? Is this the best rate? That's my stay. Looks cute, yaar. This is my cute छोटू सा B&B. बढ़िया. So that you see is a famous spot, coconut trees का spot है ये. People just go up and watch the view. Look at that. Really good. My food is here and I shifted on the shacks because look at that. Hi here. Hello.
I'm excited.
It has gotten so much better. Guess where? Always. Massage
but
was
today
honestly
beach break is nice.
very average. मुझे बिल्कुल मज़ा नहीं आया भाई. I
Okay,
told her
fine.
to give more
And
pressure,
you want to
more
go-
pressure,
I want
but
to go for total,
I don't believe I am saying it. Ki I didn't enjoy the massage, but yeah, I think technique matters, and she was not doing it. Now we're just randomly walking on the streets.
Okay, perfect. I will see
and
you tomorrow.
exploring shops, finding something to eat. साथ में shopping भी चल रही है. So yeah,
I will see you.
really side look glazed.
Should we see it?
I got ready and all to step out for brunch and it's raining. मैंने बाल धोए थे आज इसलिए गीले हैं, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ रेन. बट या मुझे ऐसे टाइम पे टुक टुक और बाइक भी नहीं मिल रही है. एंड माई होटल इज़ वेरी लाइक वेरी वेरी नियर बाय. सो आई थॉट आई जस्ट वॉक. इट्स ओके, क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है. बारिश क्यों आई है? होपफुली थोड़ा टाइम में बारिश बंद हो जाए. एवरीथिंग लुक्स सो गुड.
He wants strawberry लगेगा फिर. Prettiest boy in Sri Lanka.
Very random cute shop we found. That is so cute. Round 2, I've come to the same place. Good boy. And scratches. I'm heading to this beach club. आज काफ़ी ज़्यादा gloomy है. I thought कि थोड़ा better हो जाएगा, but still like, but let's see. I wanted to change. मुझे थोड़ा कुछ और भी पहनना था for the beach club. I thought कुछ sexy सा पहनो, but then I was bored because the light भी नहीं है, तो क्या ही content आएगा. So I'm just wearing this and heading. मैं जा रही हूँ वेलिगामा साइड बिकॉज ये बीच क्लब वहाँ पे है एंड ये लोग वहीं आएंगे. Pretty place. Damn, look at the number of people. So okay. So I just need a regular 1 scoop dark chocolate. Yeah. Pretty place, pretty vibe. Now I'm excited for surfing because मैंने surfing की, I mean बहुत ज़्यादा लोग कर रहे हैं. Surfing देख लिया, but I'll do in the morning. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा gloomy हो जाता है. And I just clicked a few pictures and videos. Now I'll eat something. मैं अभी खा के आई हूँ, but मुझे खाने का मन नहीं है. तो एक आइसक्रीम या कुछ खा लेती हूँ. अच्छा हुआ हमने कल प्यारा सनसेट देख लिया, बस आज तो कुछ ठिकाना नहीं है सनसेट का. It's gonna be very gloomy. After the massage, which was good, foot massage, 30 minutes.
Good.
Yeah, she was doing it perfectly.
So I think there are other massages that are also
Yeah,
doing
I
it.
randomly shopped stuff. I got coconut cream. I tried it. It smelled good. It felt good. I got aloe vera. It's nice, clear aloe vera. Then I got a fridge magnet. Without fail, इस बार मैं ले लिया. And I got this neck piece.
No, that was very funny. This
Making my pizza.
pizza.
Changed my outfit. I'm wearing Nikki's outfit. Now we're here to party. Let's see how the party scene here is on a Tuesday night. We've heard a lot. Cheers! This looks so lit, but we're leaving this place. We're leaving this place because it's too crowded and it's getting too sweaty and all. But music is so good. We're going some another place. Let's hope it's as good as this. We're at this new spot which is like a pretty low-key vibe. People are just chilling, lying down, beanbags पे snooker खेल रहे हैं. I want music. This girl is obsessed. I love it.
Please, I'm gonna like, I'll buy it for anything, bro. I'll buy it for anything. I love this.
Do it.
Yeah, for sure.
For a week. Yeah. This is what my lunch looks like. Quick story time, guys, while I have my lunch. आज सुबह सर्फिंग जाना था. कल हम लोग पार्टी से कोई रैंडम हॉस्टल के इसमें गए थे जहाँ पे people were just chilling, playing stuff and all. ठीक है, I was in the party mode and party से निकल गए because of it was getting too crowded and it was too hot and my friends they were not quite enjoying it. ठीक है, so we left from there and then वहाँ जाके तो chill scene था. So then we just sort of did nothing and then it got pretty late. Okay, मतलब मैं फिर वहाँ से so I'm staying in Mirisa and these people are staying in Velikama, right? और ये जो place था वो उसके भी आगे था, तो वहाँ से मैं निकली. I had my bags at their place, so वहाँ से Velikama से वो bags लिया मैंने and then मैं Mirisa at my place. So basically ये सब करने में मुझे 2-3 तो बज गए and then 4 बजे मैं सोई. I was not sure कि मैं surfing के लिए उठ पाऊँगी या नहीं उठ पाऊँगी, मतलब it was mixed. But I still woke up. I messaged Nikita in the morning. I called her. Every hour I'm calling her. Technically I ended up not going, which I'm not too happy about. But ठीक है. Anyway, I'm checking out from this place. मेरा चेकआउट कल है बट आई बुक्ड न्यू प्लेस बिकॉज मुझे यहाँ पे मतलब ऐसा मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है एंड आई वांट टू शूट अ लिटिल कंटेंट ऑल्सो. तो आई एम जस्ट ईटिंग समथिंग राइट नाउ. 2 बजे मैं योगर्ट बोल खा रही हूँ बट यहाँ से आई विल गो टू द रूम, आई विल गेट रेडी एंड देन चेक इन टू माई न्यू प्लेस. देन आई विल शूट कंटेंट आज एंड देन सनसेट के लिए जाएंगे एंड देन पार्टी करेंगे. सिंपल फ्लो. एंड कल सर्फ जा रही हूँ मैं, कुछ भी हो जाए. This dog always gets up whenever I'm coming here. Hi, Vachu. Look, cutie. This is the new place. Hui. Now that is a cute stay with this pretty open bathroom. I love it. Cute. And I have a mirror to myself जो वो वाले रूम में था ही नहीं, full mirror. This is cute. That's my shower area. I love this. Okay, so I'm ready and I've stepped out. I've shifted my this thing also. And Nikita and Amber का ज़्यादा पता नहीं है, सब अलग अलग जगह पे है. So I am here near the beach. There's this spot called Parrot Rock. वहाँ से it's like a nice view. ये सब क्या है? So I'm just here to have a look. Let's see how is it. Looks good to me. There it is. मैं वहाँ से आधा भीग के आई हूँ. But yeah, it already looks pretty. Very intense waves, like look at that. And I don't know how to swim, तो मैं इतना अंदर जा भी नहीं पाऊंगी मुझे लगता है. Also snorkeling here. रूम पे जाके कुछ नहीं किया बेसिकली बिकॉज वो ज़रूरी था. एंड मैं यहाँ पे खाना खाने आई हूँ. दीज पीपल आर ऑल्सो समवेयर आउट ईटिंग वो लोग के एरिया में. एंड ये वाले रेस्टोरेंट में कोई नहीं, और अकेली बैठी मी. आई लव इट. सो यहाँ पे भी ऐसा सीन है कि एवरी डे देयर इज़ अ डिसाइडेड प्लेस जहाँ पे पार्टी होती है. सो गिली आइलैंड की तरह यहाँ पे एवरी प्लेस इज़ डिसाइडेड. सो द होल क्राउड in south is gonna be there. So we're going. It's a little far, but yeah, I'll leave in some time, eat something. Cheers. Morning guys, today is surfing day. I'm gonna start surfing today. अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे बहुत जल्दी स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए. I could have done like a 7 days course, but it's okay, I'll do 3. ना ठीक है. Now I'm here near the surfing place only to have something very quickly. It's a very cute cafe, and then I'll surf. I'm waiting for my friends who are late, I guess, and the surfing guy also is not replying me. मैं 1 घंटे से वेट कर रही हूँ, but I think मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट भी हो गया. मैं थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर भी कर रही थी, मैं थोड़ा शॉपिंग वॉपिंग कर लेती हूँ, और अब मैं रास्ते में बैठ के 11 बज गए.
Then you both like it. Then tell me hard.
Yeah, that's all. Hands don't reach only. What is this? Too short. You won't even get my slipper. Not even a slipper for 2,000.
Your slipper how much?
That much only.
I want to help.
Why?
No, we can funny people in Sri Lanka.
Yeah?
We can make
I just shot a video and I got really dressed up, like really good, and it started raining. मतलब क्या? और ये मिरर किन के हिसाब से बनाया है? मतलब मेरे को ऐसे होना पड़ रहा है. छोटे लोगों के लिए मिरर नहीं है. मैं कहाँ जाऊँ?
Are you okay?
या थोड़ी बारिश है, ग्लूमी है, स्काई भी है, बट anyway I'm heading to this cafe that I wanted to go, but कल वो बंद था, so I'll have food there and sunset अगर मिलेगा तो sunset देखेंगे. Finally I'm trying the Sri Lankan food. So this is Sri Lankan curry with coconut chutney and papadam, and this is coconut roti. Smells good. Started raining heavily sunset के time पे. So I was back to my room after the rain, and now I am stepping out for dinner, and this is one place जहाँ पे आज का scene है. It's a little far, so I'm quickly leaving, and the aim is to come back before or around 1, because anyway party वहाँ पे 12 बजे बंद हो जाती है. I don't want to do after party, so I'm trying to reach on time and trying to finish. अभी I'm just sitting here मेरी B&B के किचन एरिया में. I'm waiting for the pick me because बुक नहीं हो रहा था यार आज. अभी बहुत टाइम लगा.
Papa, Yeah, nice. Nice. Some
What
nice
about
city.
you?
Germany.
Okay, this place was such a vibe. भाई वो जो पानी पे place है, I can't remember, but वैसी ही vibe है. लोग literally table वेबल पे चढ़ के नाच रहे, गा रहे, चिल्ला के मजा आ गया. One thing that was weird कि मैं जैसे ही 12 बजे बंद हो जाता है ना, मैं जैसे ही दिखी I saw Nikki and Amber. And मैंने निकालने की पहले मैसेज किया हुआ था कि are you guys going there? Like, is I always message yeah here and I know you. I will message. She didn't reply or nothing. And then I see them there and I was like, what the fuck? Anyway, I had fun. It was such a vibe. मैं जा रही हूँ, but मैं सही सलामत पहुंच जाऊँ. थोड़ा दिन था ये, फिर ये